As the seasons turn in the Achillies area, welcoming the warmth of spring and summer, homeowners face a common challenge: leaky hose bibs. This issue, often emerging after the freeze and thaw of winter, can lead to unexpected cracks and leaks, turning garden maintenance into a frustrating ordeal. Beyond the nuisance, these leaks can significantly increase water usage, impacting both the environment and your utility bills. However, there's no need for this problem to dampen your sunny days. If you find yourself wrestling with a leaky hose bib, help is just a phone call away. Dial 888-501-1193 to connect with qualified professionals who specialize in plumbing repairs, ensuring your outdoor activities flow smoothly. Serving the vibrant Achillies community, they're ready to nip this issue in the bud, restoring efficiency and peace of mind. Don't let a leaky hose bib put a damper on your outdoor enjoyment. Call today and make the most of your spring and summer.